In today's business world, it can be a real challenge sharing worksheets only to find somebody's accidentally deleted a formula or put something in the wrong location, and you end up having to edit it again. In this video, we're going to look at how you can go about protecting cells, worksheets, and files in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, I have a spreadsheet here. Now, if I sent this to somebody and asked them to fill it in, they may well delete rows or columns that they didn't think was relevant to them. And that can be hard if I'm combining data back together to summarize it. I want to keep it consistent. So what I can do is, let's just say I want people to only be able to edit into this range of cells, and I don't want them to be able to accidentally delete any of the formulas that are lying around anywhere. So this is a great way of just letting people know visually where that you're expecting them to enter data and prevent them from accidentally deleting things. So first of all, I'm going to select these cells and I'm going to make the cells green. Now that's going to visually draw the reader's eye to the fact that this is the area I probably want them to enter data into. Now, by default, every worksheet in Excel is automatically locked. So basically that means when you protect a worksheet, nobody can enter anything into any cells. So we actually want to unlock just these few cells. So I'm going to right click on these cells and go to Format Cells. Now from here, I'll go to the Protection tab. So you can see here it's locked. So that makes it nice and easy if you were protecting the whole sheet, which is what we're going to be doing later. I'm going to take the tick out of the locked box and click OK. So at the moment, there really is no difference to our worksheet. We could enter into any cells. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to go to the Review tab and I'm going to go Protect Sheet. Now, Excel has a range of different things that you can switch on or off for users to be able to do or not do. Now, personally, if you're just giving this spreadsheet to someone and asking them to fill in the details in green, so keeping it nice and simple and minimize the risk of other people making mistakes, just leave the default options, but feel free to adjust those as you see fit. So I'm just going to put in a password to unprotect the sheet. So somebody will need to know this password to be able to unprotect the sheet and change any of the cells. I'm asked to reconfirm the password and I click OK. Now, if I was to try and enter data into this cell, I get an error, but I will be allowed to enter data in here. So this is beautiful because what it means is it means I can control where people can put information into my worksheet. So if I unprotect the worksheet and I select these cells, I can right click on them, choose Format Cells, make those cells locked again. And then next time I protect the sheet, nobody will be able to enter anything into any cell. So that's how you protect a worksheet. Now let's look about how you protect a workbook. So there's a couple of ways we can do it. We can use the Protect Workbook option from up here, or we can go to File and we can go down to Info. And from here, Protect Workbook. And there's a variety of different options here. We can encrypt it with a password. Now that means somebody needs to know the password in order to be able to open this file. So that's how we can protect cells, worksheets, and Excel workbooks.